This Aespa Karina look went viral in China, and almost everyone was talking about her insane visuals. And today, we're recreating that exact look with a Zhaohongshu makeup guru, Gobuli Yazoo. Let's dive right into how she achieves that intelligent, high-fashion glow that's got the internet obsessed. She starts by first wiping her face, ensuring her skin is clean and free of dirt. It's advised to wash your face for a better start. This makeup look is referred to as the high intelligence or smart look, a style that particularly reflects sophistication and intelligence. Though she wears golden glasses, wearing contact lenses is also preferred for a brighter appearance. She begins by prepping the skin. Use your go-to moisturizer before starting your makeup. Take a flat brush and evenly spread the foundation. It's better to choose a lightweight foundation for a cleaner finish. Then take a sponge and blend it further, making sure no area is left uneven. Next, take a small brush and precisely conceal the under eye area. Take a highlighter and place some excess on the back of your hand. Apply it under the eye area next to your nose to brighten that region. Take a warm blush and apply it lengthwise from the outer corners of your eyes toward your cheekbones. This technique lifts your face, giving it a more defined and narrower appearance. Take a brush and apply contour above the eyebrows and along the crease of your eyes. For nose contouring, start at the lower sides of your nose near the nostrils, blending upward toward the eyes and connect it to the eyebrows and the crease of your eyes. Blend the contour applied above the eyebrows. Use face powder to lock everything in. For eyeshadow, take a beige shade and apply it on the upper eyelids, blending it slightly downward. Mix two grayish-pink shades to create a dusty pink color and apply it to the lower eyelids. Define the aegyo with the same shade, making it more prominent by layering small amounts of color multiple times. Take a dark brown eyeshadow to elongate the upper eyes and smudge it slightly. Use the same shade on the lower lash line to make the eyes appear more defined. Apply eyeliner on the outer upper lash line exactly over the eyeshadow. This technique helps you apply eyeliner more precisely and reduces mistakes. Perfect for beginners who often struggle with eyeliner. Next, curl the eyelashes and apply an eyelash primer. Apply false eyelashes only at the corners of your eyes. Use eyeliner to fill the inner waterline. Then, take a small concealer brush and apply concealer under the eyeliner to make it look more precise and clean. Apply mascara to the lower lashes, take a glitter eyeshadow and highlight the aegyo. Again, don't apply too much at once. Take a small amount and layer it multiple times, blending it upward from the corners of your eyes. Use an eyebrow brush and a low saturation shade for your brows. Keep them light yet defined. The blush shade is the key point of the entire look. The placement is crucial. Apply it at the outer corners of the eyes, lifting it upward. Use a nude pink lip shade. This color is very flattering and gives a smooth, polished appearance. It doesn't smudge either. The hairstyle is quite simple. She parts her hair into medium sections, straightens it, and takes one section from the right side out. The rest of the hair is tied back into a ponytail. Remember, the ponytail isn't centered but positioned to the side opposite the bangs. Flip the hair out from the ponytail like this. Finally, add the golden glasses and the look is complete. That's all for today. See you in next video.